Are you tired of scrolling through a cluttered Smartsheet contact list to find the right person? Delete unwanted contacts in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click, from your profile icon to the delete button, so you can clean up your list fast. Start on the Smartsheet homepage, where you'll see your main dashboard. Then, look to the lower left corner and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select My Smartsheet Contacts to open your contact list. Find the contact you want to remove, click the 3 dots next to their name, and choose Delete from the options. Click on Delete. Repeat these steps for any other contacts you'd like to delete, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.